Hey viewers and subscribers, good morning, good day to you. Welcome to Halfway Tree. Today's video we're going to take a ride from Halfway Tree Road. Alright, and now we're on Halfway Tree Road. The road on our right just now leads us to Hagley Park Road. As you can see, many students are heading to school. Most of them students of Holy Childhood High School for girls. Passing by the Holy Cross Catholic Church on our right. This right turn takes us to Balmoral Avenue. Coming up on our right is the Webster's Memorial Church. And right now we're at the intersection of Old Hope Road, intersection of Oxford Road and Halfway Tree Road. This road of course leads to Crossroads and also to downtown Kingston. Central Road on our right. Coming up to Beechwood Avenue. On our right, this road also takes us to Jamaica Observer newspaper. Evergreen Crescent on our right just now. Passing by Tasties, home of Tasty Patty. So this video has been recorded on Thursday, on a Thursday morning. So the roads are very busy. One has to be very alert as always. Going by Eureka Road on our left. Eureka Road, of course, is a one-way. So on Halfway Tree Road we can find, of course, restaurants such as Tasty, Burger King, KFC, many clothing stores as well. And of course there are some wholesales. On this plaza on our right is Western Union. Jamaicans, we receive quite a bit of foreign exchange from relatives living abroad, and they tend to use Western Union to send such funds to their friends and family back here in Jamaica. Retirement Road on our right. Going by the Crossroads Market on our right. So we're basically at the end of Halfway Tree Road. Right now we're in the Crossroads area. But stick and stay as I'm going to show you Crossroads, just a little bit of Crossroads before heading back up onto Halfway Tree Road, so you can get another perspective of this very busy thoroughfare here in St. Andrew. More schoolers out and about. I'm seeing school uniform from St. Hugh's High School for Girls. I believe I also saw one student from Kingston College. Passing by the Carib Theatre on our left. Again, just doing a quick spin around so we can head back up onto Halfway Tree Road, passing by the Crossroads Police Station. And it is rather sunny. And now we're back onto Halfway Tree Road, going by the Juicy Beef or Juicy Patty restaurant. Captain Bakery on our right. Chelsea Avenue on our right. Can make a right turn after 7 a.m. Monday to Friday onto this road. Well, I'm going to end it here for today, as this is the end of Halfway Tree Road. Actually turning onto Balmoral Avenue. Well, let me just show you what it's like. Just a little bit of it. This road leads onto Maxfield Avenue. And I'm gonna take this right turn onto Skibo Avenue. Straight ahead is the entrance for the Holy Childhood High School for Girls. Alright, again, I'm going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. A brief look on Halfway Tree Road. So until next time, do take care. Jamaican Insider out.